In this Tap Essentials video, we will be learning how to do a back essence. There are 3 components: spank, ball dig, and ball change. Let's see that from the back. Make sure that you're making 4 beats or sounds. Make sure you cross your foot behind on the first ball dig. Practice time. Speed it up. Can you go a little faster than that? One more time, even faster. Okay, for a moment there, I forgot. Dramatic pause. I meant to pause there. I didn't. Okay. I don't know what to add. This is gonna be a short video. Question. I'm thinking about starting a new section of videos where it's tap routines to Broadway musical numbers. I think that could be great. You know, there's so many great musicals for tap dancing. And it doesn't have to be for tap dancing for us to do a tap number to it anyway. So, yeah, if you're interested, you think that's a good idea, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, even if you don't have tap shoes, you can still learn to tap. Dance in your socks, dance in your tennis shoes, it doesn't matter.